I'm here with Vincent McCoy, the director of the Inland Empire Small Business Development Center. Vincent, can you tell me how important are events like this weekend's event to the region?
I think they're very important, and the reason they're important is that it brings together people from business and from the private sector and from the public sector to talk about the key issues that face the region.
What are some of the issues that you think that we have to overcome in the next few years?
One of them is capital, the general lack of capital in the region. We need to bring investments. We need to bring more money into the region so that we can do the things which are important. We've got to move beyond just being a place that goods pass through and be a place where activity happens, where jobs are created, where businesses grow. I'd love to see more corporate headquarters, whether it be small or large, that put their businesses here, because that's where we're so proximate to so much of the economic activity in California and in the country that it would be great to have more of the core capital investments made in this area.
What role does the Small Business Development Center going to play in improving the quality of life in the region?
Well, if you keep the business owners who start here, if you keep them alive and thriving, keep their businesses growing, they invest. They become politically active. They become good corporate and good, good corporate citizen. So they invest in the community, they live in the community, they have more concerns about the quality of schools and the quality of life. So if the businesses are stronger, they become catalysts for growth in the region.
There's signs of improvement in the region. Are you optimistic for the future?
Yes, I am. For example, one of the signs that we've seen in the last 3 months, we've seen 900 businesses come through the SBDC. Our usual target is 1,500 to 2,000 in a year. So in 3 months, we're on target, if we keep at this pace, to do about 3,000 businesses coming through our offices, getting help, getting some of the resources they need to be successful. So yes, I think we're optimistic for that.
And can you tell me, what role do you think IEP plays in the region, and where do you see them fitting?
First role, I think, is convening, bringing the key stakeholders together, like today, in the same room so we can talk about the issues which are important. And from that, I think their next role is to take those issues and move them forward, help the collaborations that we need form, help the resources that we need be brought to the region so that these things can be moved forward out of the discussion stage and into the action stage.
And just going back to your organization just for a quick moment, can you tell me what things can you offer those small businesses that are trying to survive or even begin?
The first thing we offer is counseling. We sit down with a business owner one-on-one. They tell us what they're trying to achieve, and we work with them to achieve that goal. The second thing is we bring training, whether it be startup business training to advanced topics such as international trade and government contracting. We bring either our staff or we bring the key individuals who have that knowledge to the table and help those business owners. And the last thing we try to do is connect them with the resources they need, whether it be the banking community, the cities and the county, or any other resource that we think is going to be valuable to that business owner. We try to connect those two pieces.
Well, Vincent, thank you for your time today, and I hope the summit turns out like you like.
Thank you, Dwight.